I salute you all in the name of the Almighty God. Amjambo. Your Excellency, the Governor, Paul Simbarati, the Speaker of the County Assembly, Honorable Dr. Philip Machukinyanumba, Honorable members of the County Assembly, distinguished Honorable members of the Judiciary, the learned judges, County Secretary, County Executive Committee members, Chief Officers, members of the County Public Service Board, directors of departments and county officials, and all protocols observed. I wish to say, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great humility, a sense of responsibility, and a determination to selflessly serve that I accept appointment as the Deputy Governor, Kisii County. Your Excellency, let me begin by thanking the Almighty God for making this day possible. I give God all the glory for allowing me to attain this milestone. Your Excellency, I further thank you for finding me suitable to be your principal assistant and a confidant. As a gesture of this confidence you have shown in me, Your Excellency, I promise and undertake to be your loyal lieutenant. Your Excellency, I thank my family, with me, Margaret, and our children, who have been great pillars in my steadfast life up to this point in time. From the humble beginnings, Your Excellency, at Masongo, Bunyamasito village, all through the national government, and now to be your loyal deputy. This is a testament that any child born of a woman can become anything with hard work, integrity, and resiliency. Your Excellency, I reiterate my commitment, dedication, and goodwill to deliver on your manifesto and vision for a great Kisii County. Your Excellency, I particularly resonate very well with your stance on zero tolerance to corruption and the prudent use of public resources. This is the promise of freedom that Abagusi have been longing for. Your Excellency, my taking oath of office effectively ends my short stint and exciting time as chairperson, Kisii County Public Service Board. We have achieved much under your stewardship. We can certainly ride on this goodwill to deliver more for our people. To those who are naysayers, Your Excellency, let them take notice that your government shall deliver, and precisely so. As Martin Luther King once said, darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can. Therefore, let us respect and do that which is right. As I conclude, Your Excellency, I solicit the support, cooperation, and understanding of all. I am persuaded that as a team, Your Excellency, we will get the job done under your leadership. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I thank you immensely for finding time to grace this occasion despite your busy schedules. Your Excellency, I pledge to be your car, Gary. C standing for careful, A for being available, and R for being reliable. God bless the great people of Kisii. Simbane Simba, Simbane Ta. Thank you. Your Excellency, nimeambiwa kwamba we do not have time because the honorable judges would want to leave shortly for other assignments. Abantu bamintonga lembi yamono na ndembi yamono kegima. Igonkoli ira asobusibwa Nyasaye no busibwino ngani nkore, and we shall miss each other but we shall be together. Your Excellency, my long-time friend and my brother is here, Honorable Judge Justice Nyacha is present with us. Your Excellency, and my kid brother Ekiage Ben Momanyi is around. Your Excellency, my dear wife Margaret, many of you have not seen her. Two of my sons are around. Your Excellency, they were here. They traveled yesterday back to Irana, Nairobi, and back as you are. Bob and Masese, they are there. Thank you for coming. I have two grandkids. I'm not a young man. They are there. My namesake Choya and my mother Paris. There they are. Your Excellency, without much ado, I know I could have said much to welcome and appreciate everybody else, but because of time, Your Excellency, allow me to humbly, and for the first time as Deputy Governor, to humbly invite you to come forward and address your people.
DJ tuko ngoma sebale taya tunapotoa hapa tafadhali.